Good day, mates. This is Boone Wrinkleleaf, and welcome to the very first episode of Nature Uninhibited. Today I'm going to take you guys on a very exciting safari expedition to go and study people in their natural habitats and see just how well it is they very well act. Follow me, mates. Come on. Alright guys, I hope you guys are just as fired up and excited as I am about my very first expedition, alright? Now apparently, the individual that we're going to be surveying today, it lives in this place, alright? Now, come follow me, let's take a look and go for a wild and smashing time! We have to be very quiet. We're dealing with your average, actually we're not dealing with an average. It's by far an interesting specimen, one the likes of which I have never actually seen. He's not your typical nerd, he's of their species. He's like emo, nerd, and geek mixed together. I've seen this before. I've seen it one time earlier in my entire life, and I'm not even sure this was him. Such a fascinating specimen. Look at him. Look at the size of his head. The size of his potato skinned head. Look at him. Alright guys, we're gonna try to get ourselves a close look and to see just exactly what kind of creature we're dealing with. But like I said before, it's fascinating to actually be in a position like this. Now follow me. Come on guys. Trying to see just exactly what it is that he's observing over there on the table there. And I hope we're not being very loud. Oh, I don't think he can see us.
Shut up, Boone!
Quiet down, you damn aborigine. You'll wake the fucking out. I'll startle him.
Frickin' prick.
Shh. Okay, this creature appears to be very intrigued by anime. That can only mean one thing. It is indeed a virgin. It has not mated with the other females of its species yet. Typically what they do is they graduate to manga. And if it's not that, Game Informer. Now Game Informer is more for the advanced males, alright? They're the bucking broncos of this species. He seems to be very calm, and I don't want to disturb him, but I'm going to try to get another shot and see just exactly how big this mammal could be. Come on. Come on. Go ahead. Oh man, look at this. Come on. Hey, get down, damn it. I don't want him to see you. Oh, look at it. Look at it in its natural habitat. Look at him. He's so calm.
I'm coming, man.
You're gonna get closer?
Don't get closer, Boone. Wish me luck.
Bye. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there, man. Get out of there. Damn, get the fuck out. I'm calling you. Damn, that was me. Get the fuck. Damn. Oh my god! Get down, Doc! Get down!
Really? What?
I don't think it saw us.
assholes.
Did it fucking see us?
Oh, you thought it was somebody else?
Y'all some fucking assholes.
Did it see us?
What?
Fuck y'all.
What?
I got you.
What did you do? What happened?
What?
That was for what?
This was for the video.
Nah, they went. Fuck you.
You ain't know I was behind you?
No. I was in the,
You were really that into it?
no, it was a new episode.
Oh my god.
He's talking to us,
He's
babe.
talking to us. Alright, now that we can clearly see that the animal does interpret human dialect. I will attempt to converse with this animal and see just exactly what it is that we can learn from him. Follow me!
I got y'all. Y'all made your point. Y'all can stop.
Tim, come on, get the fuck out. Oh, I'm the one doing the espionage. God damn it, Tim. Tim, I'm the only one that does the espionage. I am the only one who does espionage. That is my job, not yours, as the fucking camera guy. Do you know how much this piece of equipment costs? Do you fucking know?
Save yourself, Boone.
Oh, damn it, you're being dramatic. Get your ass over here. Alright. Come on. Alright. This object that I have in my hand is a microphone. It's a microphone I'm going to use to try to communicate with this creature here. Fascinating specimen this is. Alright. On the count of 3, you and I, meaning both of us, meaning the two of us, meaning us as a pair, a team. I'm going to communicate with this here animal.
Rock on, babe.
Rock on.
Rock on.
Yeah.
Fuck y'all.
Did it see
Y'all
us?
some assholes. Yo. Fucking assholes. Can you fuck?
I don't know why I stopped.
Come on, Tim Duckworth. God.
That's what we're doing.
Oh my God,
God damn it, Boone. I wrote Michael.
Tim
Tim
fucking Duckworth. Tim Duckworth. God damn it. Don't cost us $1 billion in production for this shit.
My bloody ankle. My bloody ankle, Boone. My bloody ankle, Boone.
Mother of God.
I got y'all next time. See, watch. I got y'all.
Mary, Mother of God.
No, that's...
G'day, mates. It's Boone Rankleleaf here, and I'm gonna give you guys a specifics fire expedition. G'day, mates. This is Boone Rankleleaf, and welcome to today's first episode of... He's trying to inhibit it, alright. Let me know when. G'day, mates, and welcome to the very first episode